Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Obstructions and constant movement throughout a construction site make it difficult to accurately monitor and track excavator performance as they move through those dynamic environments. But a new approach could help. A team at Incheon National University in South Korea is working to incorporate deep learning-based instance segmentation into an automated, reliability-based multi-camera strategy using existing camera infrastructure for excavator tracking. It's a quantitative reliability framework based on occlusion regions, the machine's arm and body, for example, and occlusion ratios. The approach provides direct assessment of tracking reliability at the frame level, unlike conventional methods that focus only on improving detection and tracking algorithms. The team can now more accurately identify and evaluate critical occlusion thresholds beyond what typical tracking allows, and in real time. This work presents a practical, scalable way for improving vision-based construction monitoring systems' reliability and applicability in real-world environments, the team says, and could potentially be used for things like productivity analysis, activity recognition, and carbon emissions monitoring. Construction projects are often pushed by aggressive timelines that can prompt a challenging on-site environment. It's there that safety is very crucial, and AlphaVision is helping ensure it's maintained. The California-based AI-powered video intelligence systems developer has created the AI agent for construction and safety operations, which they say redefines safety, compliance, and visibility. Existing video surveillance systems that are standard on construction sites can now double up as active tools that improve safety protocols and operational workflows and enhance risk indicators. More specifically, the new AI agent setup can detect in real time issues like unsafe behaviors, compliance violations, and workflow inefficiencies. It automatically generates time-stamped incident logs and compliance-ready reports to streamline safety audits and full traceability across job site operations. AI Agent also helps to optimize resource allocation, improve workflow efficiency, and minimize delays. The team says their approach to aligning AI models with project-specific safety standards and procedures ensures proactive, more effective, compliance-driven monitoring, essentially bridging the gap between physical security and operational intelligence. Vision technology developer GoPro and its Mission 1 series of cameras were recognized in the spotlight recently at the NAB Show, an annual trade show put on by the National Association of Broadcasters. The compact cinema camera series earned several accolades, including the CineD Best of Show Award for the Mission 1 Pro ILS camera, which GoPro representatives say made it the top camera innovation at this year's NAB Show. The Mission 1 Pro ILS was also named one of 10 recipients of the Production Hub Award of Excellence, while the complete Mission 1 series was one of 6 to receive the Red Shark Best in Show Award. GoPro representatives say the company's innovation is a true team effort that is ushering in a new era of performance and capability via affordable, small form factor systems. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.